Please take out lesson 5.5, identify and write 10. So today we are working on our first two-digit number. When you look at 10, you notice it has a 1 followed by a 0. A lot of times I'll see this. This is incorrect. We need to make sure we begin on the left side with our 1 and then we write the 0. Remember, we always read left to right, so you want to start with the 1 and then the 0. This represents one set of 10 and no ones. That will make more sense later on. But let's make 10. A 1 and a 0, a 1 and a 0. We know how to make both these numbers already, so there's not much to this. Just remember that the 1 goes first, followed by the 0. We can also represent 10 with the number word, T-E-N. All right, so let's go ahead and I'm going to make for you a real quick 10 frame. I'm going to just pretend this is a 10 frame. I already introduced you to a 5 frame, and a 10 frame is very similar to that, only instead of 5 boxes, there are 10 boxes. Okay? It's just double. So if I have a 10 frame and there are 10 things, each frame will have an object or be colored in. That's how I represent 10. If I'd like to draw 10 objects, I can just make a series of 2 groups of 5. So there's one group of 5 and another group of 5. For me, that's the easiest way to make 10 in the way that my eyes are trained to notice it, just like in the 10 frame. 5 on top, 5 on bottom. That gives me 10. I can also make 10 with tally marks. So when I make 10 tally marks, I need to start just like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Of course, I know my 5th comes across. And now I'm going to start 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm coming to my second group of 5. So that 10 also goes through. So I have 5 here, 5 here. That is 10 tally marks. Or I can write the numerical symbol 1, 0, or write the number word T-E-N. At the bottom of the page, they want me to circle groups of 10. So it says circle the set of 10, which indicates that there's only one because it says set and not sets. So let's see which group has 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's not going to be these. So I'm going to assume it's the origami cranes. Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, this is my group of 10. I need to circle the origami cranes. Now let's turn our page over and we're going to do the back. This is just an easy exercise to count and practice counting. So in each box, I need to count the number of items and circle the correct number. For number 1, I have 1, 2, 3 robots. I need to circle the number 3. For number 2, I need to count all these trains and make sure that I count the correct number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I wanted to double check because even I wasn't sure. That one's tricky. It's okay to double check. All right, for number 3, I'm counting the monkeys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 monkeys. I need to circle the number 10. Coming up here, they want me to count the puppets on the fingers. Well, this one's kind of easy because there's a puppet on every single finger, and there are 10 fingers. So I'm going to circle the number 10. Here, I have some play food. I have a hamburger and a piece of pizza. There are 2 play food items. Next, I have blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 items. Circle the number 6. And we're done with today's math.